we're playing Don't Press the Button 4. Have we reached the end? No, thank you. I played this game before. I got the money bags. The money bags, the money bags, the money bags. Money bags, money bags, money bags. Oh my god, look, I got. Ah! I'll press the button. Uh-oh. Oh god, lava, get away from me. I did it. I'm gonna click the button first. I wanna click the button. What? Wait, what am I doing down here? Oh, watch out, Skylar has a sword. Wait, I do? Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, buddy. You're gonna die. Killed him. Killed one, I guess. Kill this girl now. Where's the other, Hans? Where's the others? I see the others. One left, and it's you, woman. You will die. Mwahaha. Wait. Oh, I won. Yay. Enter the castle. Where's the castle? Oh, God. I gotta hurry. Uh-oh. Lava's rising. We gotta go in. It's an obby. No, we're too late. Oh, we're stuck here. It's going down. It's going down. We can go up. We can go. We gotta go up. We gotta walk. We gotta go up, cause. Oh no 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 no! I don't want to die. We can go near here at least. That's cool. Wait, I don't trust the lava though. I don't think we should. Ah! No. As it goes down, I'm gonna jump immediately. Don't jump. Jump! Okay, no, 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 I don't trust it. No, 2 people just died. Oh God, we gotta do something. Run for your life, buddy. I'm not doing anything. I'm scared. Don't jump, buddy. There's other people behind us, and our life depends on this. I win! We can press the button now. Wait, we did it. That's so scary, bruh. That was scary. Oh, there's another girl here. Hi.